In this video, I'm going to show you how you can crop an image in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, to crop your image in Google Slides is quite simple. Just head over to your slides, and then once you get to the slide you want to crop the image, go ahead and click on the image that you want to crop like this. Then head over up here and you can see we have this option called crop image. To crop your image, go ahead and click on it. And then now using these edges, go ahead and move to where you want to crop your image to, and look at that. You can also go ahead and crop on the side like that. And if you want even to make it much smaller, you can also crop from the side like this, and that crop will be applied. Now once you have cropped your image, then go ahead and press on enter on your keyboard to apply the changes. And now if I click outside, you can see that image has been cropped into this small size. Should you want to reduce the size without cropping, you can just go over to these edges and move it to the size that you wish, and that will be it. So that's how you can crop images in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.